This is day 2 at To Rudskogen. I had a couple of great runs this morning. Some things in the setup were changed. Slightly smaller front wheels because they got stuck in the arches yesterday, which made the steering wheel block, so I span off. That has been addressed and the car is great. I was getting ready to get into the carousel, it's called. It's like a left-hand corner, and it's actually my favorite corner of the track. I like setting up the car there. It's going more than 180 degrees, I guess. But it's going downhill a little bit, and I was trying to set it up, so first left then go to the right, and something went wrong in setting up the car.
What happened then?
I ran into a barrier.
You ran into a barrier?
Yeah.
What was the first thing that went through your mind?
I know it's part of the game, but it's just the part that you don't want to happen. So we lost the cooling system for now. I broke some tubes that need welding. The brake reservoir lost the cap, the hood. Well, it opened up quite frantically and smashed the front window. Fiberglass damage here and there and there. Lost the headlight, cooler. They already took it out. That's the part that needs welding. Fingers crossed, hoping that it's fixed. Well, everything is fixable. But if it is fixable within now and a couple of hours, because I would be very happy to do the Bright Studs qualifying today. But yeah, that remains to be seen. Hey, buddy. This much to go. This much to go.
I know you want to drive, but don't do this again.
Oh, sorry. Oh. My bad.
You need to pay double.
Again.
It's so convenient to get these parts. They're like in every store in the world.
I'm happy to hear that.
That's
I actually didn't expect that. Wow.
Finally some good news.
finally some good news.
Yeah.
So sit down.